Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. Start by looking at a beautiful black gel coat sides, stainless steel rub rail. Sea Ray has always had just this wonderful high gloss black gel coat, black bimini top, and a 150 horse Mercury on the back. Let's go up aboard and show you what options she's equipped with. Port side, 4-rung entry ladder for when you want to go swimming, sitting at the sandbars. Kids doing some water sports, you do have the water sports activity bar mounted on the transom. If we walk through, we got a nice large walkway on the port side. Looking inside, we have the sun pad. There is a dedicated cooler storage out of the way back here. Then when we walk forward, we have 2 steps down, and now we're in the cockpit looking backwards. Really nicely finished, this new stone interior. Port side lounger. So this seat will come out right here and store underneath this seat right here, and then you can have a forward facing chair. At the helm, we did equip this boat with a Fusion stereo, Simrad 5-inch GPS screen, a little bit of storage here on the console, vast amounts of storage at our feet in the ski locker, and then bow seating forward with 2 extra speakers. Look at the quality of the material, really nice thick foam. Again, this is a 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. Boat comes with the 150 horse, single axle trailer with brakes, stone interior, GPS, and a stereo. Give me a call. It's Justin Costello with MarineMax, 954-633-2070.